Hey, what's going on, y'all? Came out this morning and my vehicle wouldn't start. I got a 1996 Tahoe, and it's been sitting for about 3 days. And since then, like every day, it's been like raining. It's been raining hard, you know. And I never had no problem with this vehicle. This vehicle I said a year before and started, but I knew it had to be something since I left it outside. And it rained for 3 days real hard, more rain than normal. It something had to get wet. So, and I was looking around, you know, it's moistures and stuff is on the plugs, but that's not the problem. No, I think it's my distributor cap back there, rotor cap, distributor cap. It's kind of, if you can't, I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of moist, like on top. Like the top is kind of like, yeah, it's kind of moist. See, the coil pack is that look dry. Yeah, but the rotor cap back there look kind of moist. You can see the condensation sitting on the top. I don't know if you can see it with the camera, but it's condensation sitting on top of it. So what I'm gonna do is I don't want to use my heat gun, because it probably I don't want to melt nothing, but I'm gonna go get a blow dry and probably let it sit back there for maybe like 5 or 10 minutes and see what happens. So yeah, let me go get that. Okay, I got the blow dry hooked up. I don't want to sit directly on it.
Protected by security system. Stand back.
I'm just gonna hook that up, turn it on high, and I'm just gonna let that sit for about 5 or 10 minutes. Let me turn it off for a second. Yeah, when I came out, it would just spin. Then sometimes it sounds like it's trying to catch, but it won't. And I know it's got to be something with the moisture, because it rained super hard for the last 3 days, and I never had no problem starting this vehicle. You know, any problem go wrong with this vehicle, I take care of faithfully, and I just don't have that problem. So I'm gonna go here before I start changing any plugs or wires or anything. I'm gonna try to dry this out. Like I said, I seen the condensation on there. Coil pack looked dry, so I'm gonna hit the rotor cap back there and see what's going on. So let me turn that on for 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'll get back to y'all, let y'all know what's going on. Oh, another thing, it seems like there's always something going on, man. I don't know about y'all, but I just paid a bunch of bills. Then all of a sudden come out trying to start this, it wouldn't start. I thought it was the fuel pump at first. I was hitting on the bottom of it. Then I'm like, wait a minute, I had no problem starting this car. Let me look up under the hood, because it had been raining for the last 3 days. So I don't know, man. It seems like if it ain't one thing, it's another. But it's life, though. You can't complain, So let me turn this on for about 5 or 10 minutes, then I'll get back to y'all, let y'all know what's happening. I'll try to start it up. All right. All right. I let it sit for about 7 minutes. So let me prop this up. See if I can sit this way. Yeah. I'm just gonna sit this between here for a minute. Turn this over here. Trying to prop it up, man, so I can start it up. Alright. So I'm just gonna see if it's gonna start now. If not, then it's just gonna have to sit. I'm able to take care of it.
System disarmed.
Now this joke was gonna have to sit. It's kind of made me feel better. You know, man, kind of made me feel better. Well, there you go, man. If y'all y'all got like a 96 Tahoe, one of like the old body Tahoe, and you know, if it's cold or you've been sitting up, it's been doing a lot of raining, and it's kind of spinning and won't start, look up under the hood, man, and check your coil pack, you know, or the distributor cap, rotor cap, you know, that's in the back. Start, right there. That right there. Check and see if it's condensation on it, you know, if you got a heat gun or blow dry or whatever. I suggest that you know, put that on it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Don't sit it directly on it. Kind of bag, like sit it like maybe like a foot or two from it, you know, just to dry it out. You know, a blow dryer work. That's what I use. I got a blow dryer and a heat gun, but I was afraid the heat gun might be too hot. So yeah, just put that on it. Maybe give it like 5, 7, 10 minutes. You know, maybe less than that. And try to crank it, man, and hopefully it works for y'all, because it works for me. You know. But anyway, I'm gonna cut this video short. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna have more videos coming. So stay tuned, and don't forget, man, be safe out there, because it's a crazy world and a lot of stuff happening out there. Watch your back, stay safe, and I'm out.